Next topic, Madam Chair, since ang gusto ng OVP ay 2025 budget, mapag-usapan din natin siya maliban dun sa past budgets. Madam Chair, I'd like to discuss yung 10 million peso project na children's book. Madam Chair, dahil ayaw din po ng resource person ng question and answer, then ang paraan ko na lang po ay hindi pa tanong. Tell the committee sino po ang editor ng children's book na ito.
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, all the answers are, wala yan doon sa opening statement. I will forgo the opportunity to defend the Office of the Vice President 2025 budget proposal by question and answer. And I will
Madam
leave
Chair, I
it to
did
the
not
House
ask
of
a question. I
Representatives
told
to
the resource
decide the
person to
proposal
tell this
as
committee the
presented.
name of the auditor of the children's book.
Yan ang nangyayari kapag
Honorable.
hindi
I
na
didn't ask a question. I asked the resource person to tell the name. Pero baka hindi pa nadidistinguish ano yung tanong, ano yung hindi. Pero since ayaw pong ibigay yung name ng editor ng children's book, ito kasi yung point natin, Madam Chair.